Welcome back to All Auto Reviews, where we bring you the finest in automotive innovation, performance, and pure luxury. Today, we're stepping into a world where engineering excellence meets executive comfort. This is the 2026 Brabus Motorhome, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen on the road. From the outside, the Brabus Motorhome commands attention. Built on a customized Mercedes-Benz chassis, it has an assertive stance with Brabus-exclusive bodywork, aerodynamic enhancements, and a two-tone exterior in high-gloss white and Brabus crimson red. The signature carbon fiber accents and 22-inch forged wheels with red brake calipers are unmistakably Brabus. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving monument to power and prestige. Under the hood, it's more than capable, powered by a finely tuned 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, producing up to 700 horsepower. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome delivers surprising agility and acceleration, especially for a vehicle of this size. Paired with a refined 9-speed automatic transmission and air suspension, it glides down highways with the stillness of a luxury yacht. Brabus didn't just focus on style, this machine performs. But the real show begins when you step inside. The interior is nothing short of breathtaking. Designed in a bold red and white color scheme, every element has been meticulously crafted. The driver's cockpit features white Napa leather seats with red diamond stitching, carbon fiber trim, and a Brabus custom digital command interface. It's smart, sleek, and entirely driver-focused. The living area is a masterpiece. A spacious, U-shaped white leather sofa wraps around a red carbon fiber coffee table, set atop a soft white shag rug. Ambient lighting glows subtly from beneath, creating a calm and still environment that feels more like a private jet than a motorhome. A 75-inch OLED screen is integrated into the wall, rising silently from its brushed aluminum console, delivering cinema-quality visuals with immersive sound. The kitchen is equally impressive. High-gloss red cabinetry, white quartz countertops, and top-tier Gaggenau appliances bring a high-tech, high-luxury feel. It's compact, yet fully functional, a gourmet space on wheels. The red and white theme continues throughout with seamless design language and materials that scream precision and exclusivity. Moving into the guest suite, the same story continues. A queen-size bed with a red suede headboard, hidden lighting, and soft-touch materials makes for an unbelievably relaxing space. Smart glass windows, climate zones, and noise insulation make it the perfect retreat. And then there's the bathroom, a sanctuary with white marble walls, red LED mood lighting, and a rainfall shower that rivals 5-star hotel spas. Every inch of the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is designed for absolute comfort, quiet luxury, and powerful presence. From its bold aesthetics to its high-tech systems and uncompromising performance, this is more than a vehicle. It's a Brabus experience. So, who is this motorhome for? If you demand the very best, in mobility, in comfort, and in individuality, this is your rolling palace. Whether you're on a cross-country road trip or simply want to own the most exclusive motorhome in the world, Brabus has made sure you won't settle for less. Thanks for watching All Auto Reviews. If you enjoyed this walkthrough of the 2026 Brabus Motorhome, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until next time, keep chasing excellence without compromise.